Nabiyaym and Kituwbeem from the 16th of the 8th month of 1446. Commissions are made between hymns and praise of torture and genocide. Oppression doesn't stop as the kingdom is brought inside. Information comes through about theology for those who separate and hide. Babylon was to come in the separation of more than spirituality. A Persian Messiah and warnings abound to bring us beyond nationality. Ruminating occurs over the lack of unity. One was never what they were, but not so with the visionaries. Reconciliation is possible if regarded like family. Jerusalem will continue to lose in more than productivity. Opinions are expressed towards more being guilty. Submission should be to other than government and society. Damnation is not always final for those who look at what is sent, hopefully. Expressions must address duality. Destruction is favored for those of meaningless ways. Sanctification is formed as we are arising out of perplexity. Sin and disbelief doesn't close us off finally until the end. Circumambulation takes us from misery to the blessing. Transformation will come when the path is not so limiting. Origination remains partly unknown, but believing and acting faithfully is the point. Him to break through presumed boundaries. Folk wisdom doesn't always come through distinctly. Foreign stories make us think deeply. Relations may be meaningful rather than naughty. Foreign loyalty comes through for the counting. Conversation continues beyond the inspiring. Organization is not our destiny. Theism is ignored for supposed nationality. Imagination brings forth the exemplary. Revivification happens internationally. Listen to several inclusions about what to do continually. The spectrum is supposed to be concerned with what is presently. And I have hinted at how a couple books of the Bible don't mention God, are morality, really. Although you could say the Song of Solomon does, because there's punishment for that sort of thing coming through. Some of these lines, how you interpret it, depends on where you put the comma. And a lot of people might think a Persian Messiah, wasn't there? No, the Bible does not make the point of one Messiah. That's a Christian doctrine that's not supported by the text. Pretty much all these anointed people, Cyrus the Great is, of course, who I'm referring to. But not all the Persian rulers that are spoken of well are spoken of to that degree. But Cyrus definitely was listed as that sort of such. And bringing the kingdom inside, they conquered over time. And did that fix the problems of the people? No, not really. Things may have been fixed for moments, but it retreated into the same sorts of problems, and we'll find that after the period of time that the Bible talks about as well.